Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we'll be talking about the Uproot Cleaner Pro Pet Hair Remover, the best pet hair remover available. The Uproot Cleaner Pro Pet Hair Remover is a revolutionary tool that effectively removes pet hair from various surfaces. It features a special multi-fabric edge that works on all non-knit fabrics without causing damage. The ergonomic design allows for easy and quick hair removal, saving time and effort for pet owners. This pet hair remover is infinitely reusable, eliminating the need for batteries, sticky rolls, or vacuum bags. Gets every hair and fur with ease, even the most embedded follicles. Special multi-fabric edge for safe and effective hair removal. Infinitely reusable design that reduces the environmental footprint. A time-saving and satisfying tool for pet owners. The Uproot Cleaner Pro is best for medium-sized areas, carpets, carpeted stairs, rugs, furniture, and car upholstery. It does not work on knitted and delicate fabrics. The product dimensions are 6.6 x 5 by 0.37 inches. The Uproot Cleaner Pro has received an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 27,000 global ratings. Customers praise the performance, quality, ease of use, and value of the pet hair remover. Some customers have pointed out that the product is not suitable for use on all types of carpets. The Uproot Cleaner Pro Pet Hair Remover is the ultimate solution for pet owners looking to efficiently remove pet hair from various surfaces. With its innovative design and excellent performance, this pet hair remover is a must-have for any pet owner. That's it for today's review of the Uproot Cleaner Pro Pet Hair Remover. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best products on the market.